Let's discuss Azure Firewall Manager in this video. Azure Firewall Manager is a management tool designed to streamline security policy and route management across multiple Azure Firewall instances. It enables organizations to establish secure cloud-based perimeters, particularly in a hub and spoke network architectures, by defining network and application level rules that govern traffic. Let's unpack various key functions of Azure Firewall Manager. Azure Firewall Manager lets you centrally define and enforce firewall rules for multiple Azure Firewall instances across regions and subscriptions. This centralization is ideal for organizations managing multiple firewalls, as it helps keep rules in sync across business units and allow DevOps teams to create localized firewall policies with a control framework. Azure Firewall Manager support for two network architectures, such as Secured Virtual Hub and Hub Virtual Network. When you add security and routing policies to an Azure Virtual WAN Hub, it becomes a Secured Virtual Hub. The Virtual WAN Hub is a Microsoft managed resource optimized for building large hub and spoke architectures. Hub Virtual Network option is for organization using a standard Azure Virtual Network where security policies are applied. This VNet architecture requires manual setup and pairing of spoke networks. Azure Firewall Manager supports global and local firewall policies. Central IT teams can define global policies to enforce organizational standards, while DevOps teams can build on these by creating local policies tailored to specific needs, which give organization a balance between control and flexibility. For more advanced protection, third-party security as a service solutions can be integrated into secured virtual hubs, which provide enhanced filtering and threat protection for both VNets and branch internet connections. Within secured virtual hub setups, route management is simplified by enabling traffic routing through the secured hub without needing to set up user-defined routes in each spoke network. Azure Firewall policies can be shared across different regions. This feature allows you to create a policy in one region and apply it in another, which makes it easier to maintain consistent security policies across geographically distributed resources. DDoS protection plans can be associated with virtual networks managed by Azure Firewall Manager, which add a layer of protection against distributed denial of service attacks. Azure Firewall Manager allows for centralized management of WAP policies for services like Azure Front Door and Azure Application Gateway, which provide protection at the application layer. In short, by allowing central IT teams to enforce best policies and DevOps teams to manage local policies, Azure Firewall Manager keeps rules consistent across the organization. Firewall Manager is ideal for large, complex environments. Azure Firewall Manager ensures efficient rule and route management across multiple regions and subscriptions. With integrated third-party solutions and DDoS protection, it strengthens network defenses. Azure Firewall Manager is especially beneficial for enterprises that require a secure, consistent, and easily managed network architecture across regions and cloud environments.